Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's episode we're going to talk about Noluverse, which is making a huge inroads in the crypto gaming and virtual reality industry. Also loads of stuff with NFTs and much more. Obviously nothing I say on today's channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing in anything. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So guys, jumping over to the website, which I'll leave down in the description below, so make sure you come and check it out after this video. You can see that join the Noluverse game, the most exciting virtual reality project, is just about to launch. There's actually a number of different launches and things coming up over the next few months and into the summer, so definitely worth paying attention to what is happening right here. We can see that the token sale is ending in 28 days, 15 hours, so there's still a good amount of time to come over here, pay attention to what's going on and potentially make some investments. Jumping down to the features, so what makes this project so special? It actually covers a large number of different things. NOLU Plus, get access to exclusive discounts and perks that are always available to members, always releasing new benefits. Obviously that's a little bit vague. Potentially we can find out a little bit more information about what that exactly means as we work our way through the website. NOLU Pay, seamlessly make purchases through your own personal gateway, seamlessly secure and user friendly. Obviously at the moment we're looking to see crypto open up to be able to have more use cases in everyday payment solutions, etc. So anything that's really offering to do that in a secure and speedy way is something that gets my attention, because once people start paying in public with crypto, etc., that's when I think crypto is really going to take hold and explode, and anything that's in that space is probably going to do really well indeed. Pixel holders can earn exclusive rewards from Noluverse ecosystem. NFT marketplace, get your hands on some of the most unique and exciting NFT artwork in the space, always adding more to the project. And the Noluverse, play the most exciting realistic looking game in the metaverse. This expansive open world virtual reality MMORPG is going to change the way you view gaming. Gaming obviously has taken off in the crypto space, play to earn games, etc. Obviously companies like Gala have done really well, and also there's going to be always room for new, up-to-date, cool games that people want to play that they can actually get rewards and stuff from. So definitely look out for this as a potential game that could really take hold, because guys, over and over again, I've seen it in the last year or so, gaming tokens are exploding. Okay, so at the moment, token sales ongoing, as I mentioned, with 28 days or so remaining. We're aiming to raise 1,000 BNB through the sale of our valuable native token for users interested in becoming part of the NOLU project, with a hard cap of 1,000 BNB and 500 BNB soft cap. Looking down into the tokenomics, they're going to accept Ethereum, BTC, BNB, BUSD, USDT. There's going to be 100 million NOLU tokens in total supply, and it's going to be a BEP token type. Looking down below, you can see the distribution of tokens: 5% in the team, 5% marketing, 15% pre-sale, 55% escrow, 15% game incentives. Very positive to see only 5% being retained by the team. That for me is something that I always look for. Teams that are backing their projects to do really well tend to only hold on to a small amount of tokens, because ultimately they're interested in the larger, wider success of their platforms, and by centralizing it too much around the team, that sometimes causes a bit of problems. Looking down here, guys, you can see the NOLU sale timeline. Today being April the 3rd, early bird pre-sale. Obviously an opportunity for you to be able to buy at perhaps a reduced market rate. And then May 15th, Blade of Carnage EA release. June 1st, launch of Pink Sale Finance, and then June 15th, opening sale on PancakeSwap, which is obviously would be worth looking forward to if you've already got invested there, because that's when many more people can enter into the space. This has a more detailed roadmap down here. Obviously development of the game universe, specifically the Blade of Carnage, which is obviously the next game that's going to be upcoming, and various other features, guys. NFT museums, fantasy sports events, featured art festivals, loads and loads of cool stuff that's kind of around the metaverse. The cool thing at the moment around the metaverse, guys, is no one really knows what the metaverse is kind of going to be like, and that's because there's so many kind of like possibilities available that really everyone can kind of go in and play their part in changing it and creating something. So it's really cool to see a company like this doing something kind of interesting and unique, you know, linking in with TikTok, Instagram here, NOLU Reels, open world MMORPG, virtual reality, etc., minting of clothing, NFTs, all sorts of different and exciting things, casino, houses, sci-fi, vehicle racing, dragon racing. Wow, loads and loads of stuff that's coming up, and it's going to happen pretty quickly, guys. Right now, when a new project launches, they tend to sort of start slowly and then they explode with loads of cool stuff coming in once the funding, etc., starts to arrive from token sales and other things. So in terms of how they're going to monetize their project, there's a various few things that we've already talked about. With NOLU Pay, users paying a small transaction fee to send money. Obviously, every time we send money anywhere, we are paying transaction fees, whether you like it or not. And this is a good way for Noluverse to be able to make money. But they're also providing you with things like games, etc., that you can come in and buy different parts for, which will have obviously transaction fees associated with it. And also when you're kind of like linking perhaps with Amazon, Walmart, etc., other shops, paying certain fees through NOLU Pay, but obviously that then gives you advantages that you might get in terms of other rewards, etc. They'll also ask for things like ad revenue, NOLU merchandise will be created, and NOLU blockchain, where other people can come in and build on the blockchain that's existing, pixels, and then all these other things with like NOLU Plus subscribers, etc, etc. Seeing here on the right, guys, you can see some of the gameplay that's going to be for the Blades of Carnage, and you can see the sort of characters and the graphics, etc, that look really pretty cool and something you would expect from some really top-rate games anywhere on the market. So not necessarily some of the sort of lower quality stuff that you might have seen around in the crypto play to earn space right now. So definitely stuff worth paying attention to. Character development items, releasing all exciting characters and digital assets within the game scripts, combat AI for early access, etc. And that's another reason why you want to be buying the tokens, because it gives you early access to things like the games, etc. Okay, so you can see the team is headed up by this guy, Marvin Yu, 14 years of valuable experience in marketing, sales, expertise in consulting, product development and management. But he's also linking together two teams, one based in Bangladesh, which is called Elusive, and focuses mostly on the kind of development specialization within the development, etc. And then Metabit Studios, with decades of combining experience in Silicon Valley. This team of full stack developers has expertise in server software. Okay, so kind of linking together different teams around the world, which is really cool. And it's very transparent. You can come over, check them out, and find out more information about the individuals if you so wish. So basically, in terms of the key dates that we need to be paying attention to, obviously today is the early bird pre-sale. The 15th of May will be the launch of the game that we've just taken a look at, called Blades of Carnage. On the 1st of June, it'll be launching on Pink Sale for the first public sale, followed by that June the 15th onto PancakeSwap. So make sure you're paying attention to all those. Guys, if you want to keep up to date with what's happening on Noluverse, but all of the links will be down in the description below, not just for Noluverse, but for Twitter, for Instagram, for their Discord, etc, etc. So make sure you go and check all of that out. You can give them a follow, and then you can be kept up to date, guys. When you follow people on social media, these companies will often have giveaways before they launch their tokens. Maybe that be NFTs, tokens, etc. And there's always good opportunities to be able to get your hands on some free crypto just by sharing them with your community and things like that. So always worth having a go, because you never know. Noluverse contains a lot of different aspects of the crypto world, all combined into one place, with NOLU Plus being something like Amazon Prime, where you can go and use different services, etc., where you're rewarded in points for various things you use. NOLU Pay operating like Stripe as a payment provider for different websites, etc. NFT marketplace, obviously self-explanatory. Noluverse providing virtual reality and gaming, lots and lots of different exciting things coming up there. And then Pixel, which tracks all of this different information and then rewards people who interact the most with the ecosystem. Obviously, there's lots of exciting things to go and check out, guys. So make sure you go and have a look down in the description, find the link, and come across here now to see it for yourselves. Guys, if you enjoyed today's content, then make sure you smash up the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to Crypto Gems and you want to learn more about crypto and have fun while doing so, then make sure you subscribe to Crypto Gems to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening in the crypto markets. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.